This video is on existentialism by Ethan, Luis, and Alejandro. What does it mean to be human? To be human means to be in one form with many different shapes and sizes. To be human, you need to be one whole self, real and moving. Being human means going to school or doing something with meaning. From working every day, for example, to being a full-time student, humans are constantly doing something. What is consciousness? The majority of scholars accept consciousness as a given and seek to understand its relationship to the objective world described by science. It is the awareness of ourselves and the environment. Scientists, physicists, theologists, etc. have different ideas of what it means. Recent series defined it as the imperfect picture of its own activity. What is nothingness? Nothingness is a state where something never existed and ceases to exist. This means to be non-existent or not to have any place on earth. Nothingness is like a thought you have in your mind. Why is truth relative? Truth is relative because something that could be the truth to someone cannot be the truth to someone else. A common example of this is that somebody acknowledges that God is real for another person to say that he is not. Explain man's inhumanity to man. This quote comes from a poem called From Man Was Made to Mourn by Robert Burns in 1785. It used to refer times in history on which men did awful things to its own species. Causes of the phrase used in different contexts as reference to other aspects, reference to women, reference to religion, to African Americans, and inequality. This is from a 1984 novel by George Orwell.